Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open your Binance sub account. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to Binance.com. And once you're in here, go to the top, click on your profile. Okay. Click on it. Now go to the left panel. And here we have sub accounts. So just click on it. And it says here, sub accounts allow you to trade through multiple accounts. So just click on activate to enable this function. Click on it. Wait for it to load. So here we have the account management or sub account management dashboard. So what we'll do in here is just go ahead and click on the top right. We have create a sub account. Okay. So go ahead and choose whether you want to use your email or create with virtual email or even a third-party custodian. Okay. This one right here is just a regular email. Well, you could go ahead and select this option. Okay. Now enter your email right here. Once done, go ahead and add in your password and just confirm your password by retyping it. After that, just click on next. Now it will need a verification code. So just go ahead and open up your email address. Just enter the code from here, hit on confirm. And once that's done, you'll be able to see your sub account in this section. That's basically it. Once you have your sub account, you can now go ahead and manage it. Okay. Set the permissions for spot, futures, margin, and asset transfers. You can move funds between your master and sub accounts using the asset management or transfer function right here. Okay. You have your API management, asset management in this section. Here you have your master and sub account. Okay. Here we have deposit and transfer. That is how we open our Binance sub account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.